Hello students, warm welcome to video learning lecture. My name is Aashish Gohel. Today I will be teaching you very shortcut method for differentiation of implicit function. And this shortcut methods you can apply in the examinations like Gujcet, JEE, NDA, Nata and many more examinations where MCQs can be asked. Okay, so here implicit function means what? Implicit function means where one equation is given containing two variables x and y and you cannot separate out both the variables. That means what? That you cannot write down y in terms of x and x in terms of y. So for this kind of questions we have very shortcut method. In that shortcut method we can solve any kind of equation and we can find dy by dx in fraction of seconds. So how will we do it? One equation is given, x cube plus y cube plus 4xy plus cos y minus tan is equal to 0. If I want to write down dy by dx for the same in just single step, then how will I write down over here that minus 3x square plus 4y divided by here 3y square plus 4x minus sin y. Here is our answer in just 3 seconds. So how did I do that? Let us see. For any implicit function, there is one condition that all the terms you need to take on left hand side first. So right hand side it must be 0. Now here one secret formula is there that to find out dy by dx for any kind of this function, we will put negative sign and we will differentiate with respect to x, keeping y constant, and in denominator we will differentiate with respect to y, keeping x constant. Yes, this is the secret formation. With the help of this formation you can solve differentiation of implicit function within 3 or 4 seconds in a single step. Okay, let us apply again in this same question with the help of this formation. See, first we will put negative sign, then f dash of x means what? We need to differentiate this equation with respect to x, keeping in mind that y is constant. Okay, so minus x cube 3x square, y is constant, so differentiation of y cube will be 0. Here y is constant, so 4 and y both are constant terms, so we will keep 4y as it is. Differentiation of x is 1. Here cos y is constant term and of course tan is constant. In denominator we will differentiate with respect to y, keeping in mind that x is constant. So here again differentiate this, so x cube is constant 0 plus the differentiation of y cube is 3y square. Now here as x is constant, so this total term is constant for us, so plus 4x, differentiation of y is 1. Here differentiation of cos y will be minus sin y, and again the differentiation of minus tan is 0. Now if I simplify this equation, then the answer will be 3y square plus 4x minus sin y. Yes, it is a very easy trick and you can apply this method in this kind of examination. Yes, even if you cannot solve questions in your respective board, but you can verify your answer with the help of this trick. Isn't it very easy? Yes, it is easy and interesting too. So let us take one more example of the same method. So let us say that I am having equation like sin x plus sin y is equal to tan xy. Okay, so the first condition we need to follow, that whatever equation is given, first thing we will do is we will keep all the terms left hand side of the equal to. So in this equation if I do that, then minus tan xy is equal to 0. Okay, now according to our shortcut method, minus. Now we differentiate whole equation with respect to x, keeping in mind that y is constant. So the differentiation of sin x is cos x. Here term containing y only, so that is constant. Here minus differentiation of tan xy is what? Sec square xy. Now here y is constant, so again if I differentiate xy with the help of chain rule, then y as it is and differentiation of x is 1. So numerator is completed. Okay, now in denominator we need to solve the differentiation of the same equation with respect to y, keeping in mind that x is constant. So here it is 0 plus differentiation of sin y is cos y, here minus sec square xy, and again here now x is constant, so y x as it is, differentiation of y is 1. Okay, so this will be a answer that minus cos x minus sec square xy into y divided by cos y minus sec square xy into x, and this will be a final answer. After learning this, after practicing this formation in many of the questions, you can directly write down this step. Okay, and it will just take 3 to 4 seconds to answer differentiation of any implicit function. Okay, so stay tuned, stay connected, and yes, if you like this technique, then share my video with your colleagues, classmates, and everyone. Thank you so much.